Compact hand winch lift trucks are designed to lift material to and from shelves, move office equipment, and install ceiling wall appliances. They are constructed of durable steel and aluminum. The rugged 4-inch wide by 1-inch thick steel forks measure 22 inches long. It is operated by a hand crank winch that features a reversible handle and a hold-down device for securing the carriage during transport. Forks raise 1 inch per complete hand crank rotation. The non-adjustable forks can be inverted to provide different height ranges. Also includes two 8-inch non-marking rear wheels, two 2-inch front swivel casters. 3 models are available, include a standard design, straddle design. The counterbalance design truck has poly-on-poly wheels, two 5-inch rear wheels, two 4-inch front wheels. Options include a deck platform that fits over forks only when forks are flipped down. Pneumatic rear wheels and a retractable ladder are other options for the hand winch lift truck. The aluminum ladder can be retrofitted or ordered with the lift truck. Ladder retracts into unit upright when not in use. Winch lift trucks operating instructions. Step 1. Adjust the legs to provide the desired wheelbase. Set the brake or lock the casters. Remove the forks and lock the carriage using the pivoting carriage latch. Slowly tilt the lifter backwards until the loading wheels contact the ground. Pull the leg adjustment peg and slide the leg in the desired direction. Reset the peg in the first or second adjustment setting as the job requires. Always maneuver the A-lift from the operator's position using the normal maneuvering stance. Grasp the operator handle at each end. This will provide the greatest degree of steering control. Walk behind the lifter and keep your feet clear of the casters. Move the lifter to a position near the intended load and lock both of the locking casters. Raise the forks to a comfortable height. Set the load on the forks. The load must rest against the back of the forks. Lower the forks until the load is a few inches above the adjustable leg. Step 4. Move the load to the desired location. After you arrive at the unloading destination, lock the casters or set the brakes. Unlock the winch handle and turn it clockwise until the load is positioned at a comfortable height. Lock the winch handle, remove the load, lower the forks until they are a few inches above the legs. Step 5. Return the lifter to its storage location. Engage the brakes, fold the winch handle, fully lower the forks, and set the handle latch pin to lock the winch handle.